Revision of playing with numbers. There are two rules which we have to follow while solving each of these puzzles. The first rule is each letter represents one digit. Second rule is the first letter cannot be 0. Let us take this question. Find the values of the letters in each of the following and give reasons for the steps involved. So you have to add 4a plus 98 should give you CB3. So let us start from the ones place. So a plus 8 should give you 3 in the units place. So the only possibility for a here is 5. So because 8 plus 5 gives you 13. So now let us put the value of a here as 5. So 45 plus 98. So there are two numbers, you have to just add it. So 8 plus 5 is 13, carry over 1. 9 plus 5 is 14. So therefore the value of B you can see here is 4 and the value of C is 1. Next question. Here let us start from the ones place. So B plus 7 should give you A in the units place. B plus 7 should give you A in the units place. So there are two variables involved here, A and B. So there are so many possibilities. So let us start from tens place. So in tens place, the only problem is there can be some carryover from ones place. So here one rule is that each letter represents one digit and the greatest digit is 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. So maximum carryover you can get here is 1. So when there is 1 as a carryover, then the value of A is 2. Let us write down. So when carryover is equals to 1, then carryover plus A plus 3 should give you 6. So therefore the value of A here is 2. And when there is no carryover, then the value of A is 3. So another possibility here for A is 3. So now let us first try out for A equals to 2. So let us put the value of A as 2 there. So we get 2B plus 37 should give you 62 because the A is 2. So what could be the possible value for B now? So B plus 7 should give you 2 in the units place. So what is the value for B here? It is 5. So therefore the value for B is 5. Now let us put the value of B here as 5 and see, we will get 62. So 25 plus 37, when you add it, so 7 plus 5 is 12 and here you get 6. So the value for B is 5 and A is 2. So the answer is A is equals to 2 and B is equals to 5. Let us now take the next question. 1A into A should give you 9A. That means A into A should give you A in the units place. A into A should give you A in the units place. So what could be the possibilities for A here? So when you multiply 0 into 0, you get 0 in the units place. So one possibility is 0. When you multiply 1 into 1, you get 1 in the units place. So the another possibility is 1. Next possibility is 5 into 5, you get 25. So 5 you get in the units place. So another possibility is 5. 6 into 6 give you 36. So you get 6 in the units place. So the another possibility is 6. Let us try out these possibilities one by one. So when you put here A as 0, so what do you get? It is 10 into 0. You should get it 90. But you will not get it 90 because 10 into 0 is 0. So this is wrong. Now let us put A as 1. So 11 into 1 you should get 91. This is also not right because 11 into 1 is 11. So you will not get it. This is also wrong. Now let us take 5. So if you put 5, 15 into 5, you should get it 95. But 15 into 5 is 75. So this is also wrong. Now let us try out the last option. 16 into 6 should give you 96. So 16 into 6 is 96. Therefore, the value for A here is 6. Now let us take this question. AB into 3 should give you CAB. That means B into 3 should give you B in the units place. So B into 3 should give you B in the units place. So what are the possibilities for B here? So if you put here B as 0, so you will get 0 in the units place. So one possibility for B here is 0. If you put the value of B as 5, so 5 into 3 is 15. So again you will get 5 in the units place. So there are two possibilities for B, 0 and 5. Now let us put the value of B as 0 first. So A 0 into 3, you should get C A 0. So 3 into 0 is 0. Now 3 into A should give you A in the units place. So 3 into A should give you A in the units place. So when this happens, only these two possibilities are here. Either A can take 0 or it can take 5. But as per the rule, the first letter cannot be 0. So the A cannot take the value as 0. So A has to take 5. So let us put the value of A as 5 here. So you get 50 into 3. So what do you get here? 150. Therefore, the value of A is 5, B is 0 and C is 1. So let us write down. Answer is the value of A is 5, B is 0 and C it is 1. Now let us take this question. AB into 6 should give you B. So B into 6 should give you B. So B into 6 should give you B in the units place. So if you put the value of B as 0, you get it 0. If you put the value of B as 2, you get 12. 2 in the units place. If you put the value of B as 4, you get 24. So 4 is there in the units place. And if you put the value of B as 6, you get 36. 6 is in the units place. If you put the value of B as 8, you get 48. So 8 is in the units place. So let us write down all the possibilities of B. So the possibilities for B are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So let us try out these possibilities one by one. So if you put the value of B here as 0, that means A 0 into 6, B is 0. So you should get answer as 0, 0, 0. Is it possible? No, because if you multiply 6 to A, you will get some value. So this option is ruled out. Now let us take B as 2. So if you put the value of B as 2, so into 6, you should get answer as 2, 2, 2. So 6 into 2 is 12. So that carryover is 1. Up 6 into A plus 1 should give you 22. 6 into A plus 1 should give you 22. So 6 into 3 is 18 plus 1 is 19. 6 into 4 is 24. Obviously beyond that it will be more. So you cannot take the value of B as 2. So this option is also ruled out. Now let us try out for B is equals to 4. So when you put B here as 4, so you get A 4 into 6 should give you 4, 4, 4. So 6 into 4 is 24. You have a carryover 2. So 6 into A plus 2 should give you 44. So 6 into 7 is 42 plus 2 gives you 44. So the answer for A here is 7. A is 7. because 6 into 7 is 42. 42 plus 2 is 44. So let us now see, put the value here. A as 7. So 74 into 6. So 6 into 4 is 24. Carry over 2. 7 into 6 is 42 plus 2 is 44. So the answer here is A value is 7 and B value we have taken it as 4. So this is the answer. To revise the divisibility rules for numbers 2 to 11 except 7, please refer my video Playing with Numbers class 6. The link is there in the description box given below. Now let us take this question. If 31z is a multiple of 9, where z is a digit, what is the value of z? So it says that 31z 5 is a multiple of 9 and you need to find out the value of z. So when we say that 31z 5 is a multiple of 9, it means that it is divisible by 9. And the divisibility rule of 9 says that when the sum of the digits of the number is divisible by 9, then the number is said to be divisible by 9. So let us find out the sum of the digits of this number. So that is 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. So how much is that? 9 plus z. So this number is divisible by 9. That means it is a multiple of 9. So what is the first multiple of 9? 9 plus z. The first multiple is 9. So when you take 9 to the other side, it is minus 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. The next multiple is 18. So 9 plus z is equals to 18. So z is equals to 18 minus 9. So z is equals to 9. Next multiple is 27. So 9 plus z is equals to 27. So z is equals to 27 minus 9. So that is equals to 18. But it says z is a digit. That means the values for z are 0 and 9. Answer is z is equals to 0 or z is equals to 9. So when you put this number there, then it will be a number which is divisible by 9. Next question. If 24x is a multiple of 3, where x is a digit, what is the value of x? So here in this question, it says that 24x is a multiple of 3, where x is a digit and you need to find out the value of x. When it is said that 24x is a multiple of 3, it means that it is divisible by 3. And the divisibility rule of 3 says that if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is said to be divisible by 3. Now let us find out the sum of the digits here. So that is 2 plus 4 plus x. That is 2 plus 4 plus x. So that is 6 plus x. That is a multiple of 3. So what is the first multiple of 3? It is 3. So x is equals to 3 minus 6. So that is minus 3. Can x take minus 3? No. X can take only whole numbers. The next multiple of 3 is 6. So 6 plus x is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 minus 6. That is equals to 0. Next multiple of 3 is 9. X is equals to 9 minus 6. That is equals to 3. The next multiple of 3 is 12. So x is equals to 12 minus 6. So that is equals to 6. Next multiple of 3 is 15. X is equals to 15 minus 6. That is equals to 9. You have to stop here because x is a digit and 9 is the greatest digit. So you have to stop here. So what are the values of x? It is 0, 3, 6 and 9. Let us write down. Answer here is x can be 0, 3, 6 or 9. Next you will see the sample paper along with its answer key. You may pause the video to see it. Try out those questions and match your answers.